In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly execute SQL commands without building a query in Microsoft Access. If you want to run a one-off SQL statement without building a full visual query, this workflow is fast, clean, and perfect for quick maintenance or testing. Start by opening Microsoft Access on your desktop. This approach uses the built-in SQL editor in Access, and it works with the Access Database Engine SQL dialect. Once Access is open, go to the Create tab on the ribbon and choose Query Design. Even though we're not going to build a query visually, this is the quickest way to open the query editor that gives us access to the SQL view. A Show Table dialog will pop up asking which tables to add. You can simply close that dialog. We don't need to add anything here because we're going to type our SQL directly, skipping the design grid entirely. Now switch into SQL View. On the Design tab, open the View dropdown and select SQL View. This transforms the window into a plain text editor where you can write or paste your SQL statement. It's the same query object underneath, just presented as raw SQL instead of the graphical layout. In the SQL View window, paste or type your SQL command. Access uses its own flavor of SQL, so a couple of quick tips can help. Wrap object names with spaces or reserved words in square brackets, use pound signs around dates, and keep an eye on functions that differ from other SQL systems. A trailing semicolon is fine but not strictly required. If you're running a select, you'll get a datasheet of results. For action queries like update, delete, append, or make table, you won't see rows returned, but you'll get a confirmation about how many records will be affected. When you're ready, click Run on the Design tab to execute the command. Access may prompt you to confirm changes for action queries. Read the prompt carefully before proceeding. If something isn't right, you can cancel and adjust your SQL. For destructive changes, it's always wise to work on a copy of your database or test with a select first to see which rows would be impacted. Finally, remember that this query is not saved unless you choose to save it. That's perfect for quick ad hoc tasks. If you plan to reuse the SQL, save the query object and give it a clear name so you can find it later. Otherwise, just close the window and your database will remain uncluttered. That's it. Fast, direct SQL execution in Access without building a visual query. Thanks for watching and happy querying.